In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss on Capital Calm. Think of a stop loss as your built-in safety net. It helps you define the maximum you're prepared to lose on a trade and takes the emotion out of decision-making when markets move quickly. First, log into your Capital.com account on the web. Using the web platform makes it easy to see everything clearly, from charts to order settings. If you're new or just practicing, remember you can explore these steps in a demo environment before moving to a real account. Once you're in, head to the Markets or Trading section and open the instrument you want to trade. This could be a stock, an index, a currency pair, a commodity, or a crypto asset, depending on what's available in your region. Take a quick look at the chart and recent price action so you know whether you're planning to buy or sell and where key support or resistance levels might sit. Next, open the trade ticket. You'll usually see it appear when you choose buy or sell on the instrument page. Before you place the order, look for the stop loss section, sometimes labeled close at loss. This is where you set the protective level that will automatically close your trade if the market moves against you. Now choose how you want to set the stop loss. You have three flexible options: by price, by distance, or by the amount you're willing to risk. If you choose price, you'll type in a specific level on the chart where you want the trade to close. This is helpful when you already know a key level you don't want price to break. If you choose distance, you'll enter how far away, in points or pips, the stop should sit from your entry. This keeps it simple and consistent across similar trades. If you choose amount, you tell the platform the monetary value you're comfortable risking, and it will calculate the stop level based on your position size. This option helps align each trade with your overall risk plan. Take a moment to review what the platform shows you: the estimated loss at your stop level and the exact stop price. Make sure your stop is in the correct direction, below your entry for a buy order, above for a sell order. Keep in mind that in fast markets, your stop executes at the next available price. When everything looks right, finish placing the trade. Confirm the order, and you're set with a clear, predefined exit if the market turns against you. That's how you protect capital while staying focused on your strategy.